guava tea. Guava tree. I'm gonna make the tea. I'm gonna show you how to make this tea. I'm get this leaf right here. I will get some of it, but I just want to show you how I benefit house plant guava tree. So house plant benefit tree. Okay, this is a house plant panda tree. I'm gonna go ahead take this from here and to make the tea and to show you the benefit of the house plant, and they make me feeling good and digest and stop my back pain and my joints pain, everything. So I take them already. I'm gonna show you how I pick up from here. Okay, this is guava. I've been picking it up from my tree about I would say about 10 leaf benefits. Go to the bathroom, digest, and I say the benefit of my back pain and my joint pain too. And this is the panda I just pick up, show you. I pick up early. I realized I have to show you guys how this benefit to us, and I just want to show you. I pick it up from there, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut, make a tea, guava and panda. Okay, so this is gonna be smooth taste so good. This tea right here tastes so good. All right, I got 2 of them right here. Let's go ahead. Let's go start and make a tea. Okay. Here this guava and panda. Go ahead and put in a pot right here. Just boil about half hour. Benefit, and you can put in a container and drink morning. Whatever time you drink. You don't want to make a little bit only. You just want to make 1 gallon of the water right here one time, and you can drink at least 3-4 days. And when you finish it, make it again, because this is a benefit to me. I got back pain, I got joints pain, and plus I go bathroom very easily. So that's why I'm going to show you. This tea is the best. Don't need to look for nothing, no medicine, anything like that. That's the tea, and it make you feeling good. Okay, so let them boil for half hour. Okay, my guava tree and guava panda boiling for half hour, over half hour already. Now this is ready to drink, because this everything come out right here. Look at tea. Look at golden color, golden gold right here. See that? So this is very good tea. Benefits house plant, panda and guava tree plant. And when you want to make the tea, just go ahead, pick it up from the tree just like that. So easy and benefit. And when you drink this, it's clean your body, clean out, and digest. And when you go to the bathroom, urine very clean. That means it's very good tea for you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, just put in a cup and drink. Right, see that? Beautiful golden tea. Beautiful and benefit to you. This is my medicine every day, every morning, before I go to sleep. This is benefit for me right here. Okay, guava and panda. Cheers.
Cheers.
For the morning.
To your health.
To your health and morning tea. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yes. So good and hot. This is a good time to drink the tea in the morning, empty stomach, guys, and clean the fat out and digest. I got the back pain, my muscle pain. I take this. I say it's helping me a whole lot right now. So good. Woo. Love this. My favorite tea. So good. Love this tea. Love this tea. Love it.